everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Mohsen Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. Before we start, I want to ask you to please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and stay with us so you never miss any important updates from all around the world. Today's story is very important and very big, and it's making headlines in America, China, and the global technology market. We are talking about a new surprising deal where the United States government will now take a 15% cut from the revenue that two of the world's biggest technology companies earn by selling certain computer chips to China. This decision has shocked experts, confused industry people, and started many debates. In this video, we will explain in very simple way what is going on, why these chips are important, why this deal is unusual, how it connects with politics and trade war, and what it means for the future of technology and relations between the two giants, the one of the United States and other one is China. The news is very simple to say but has a complicated background. Just a few months ago, the United States had banned the sale of these special chips to China. The reason given for this ban was national security. The government said that if China got these advanced chips, they could use them for military purposes for developing artificial intelligence in ways that could change the United States. That ban was strict and it stopped even less powerful chips that were made especially for the Chinese market. Then in mid July, that ban was lifted, and now instead of simply allowing sales, the United States has made a deal with companies that they will give 15% of the money they earn from selling these chips to China directly to the US government. This move is something experts are calling both confusing and worrying. Let's understand what these chips are. They are advanced computer chips made mostly for artificial intelligence or AI, which is the technology that allows machines to think and learn like humans. Right now, AI is becoming one of the most important technologies in the world. People believe that AI will change industries, economies, and even the way we live. Last month, Nvidia, the largest chip market in the world, became the first company in history to reach a market value of $4 trillion. That shows how big the AI market is and how valuable these chips have become. For China, AI is a top priority. China is investing billions in AI, and experts say its AI investment could reach about $100 billion this year, which is 50% more than last year. Now Nvidia has made a chip called H20, and another big company called AMD has made one called M308. These chips are not very powerful as their two models, but they are designed especially for the Chinese market after earlier rules stopped the sale of the most powerful chips. But under Trump's rule, even these vehicles chips were banned from going to China. So when the ban was lifted recently, it was a big opportunity for Nvidia and AMD to sell again in Chinese massive market. Selling chips to China is profitable because China has a huge demand for AI and advanced technology, and many Chinese companies are ready to buy. What makes this deal strange is that it's the first time anyone has heard of such an arrangement in the United States technology sector. A trade expert called it unprecedented and bad. No US company has ever agreed to buy 5% fixed percentage of its revenue from sales of a foreign country directly to the United States government. Like this. In the past, there have been rare cases of something called a golden share, where the government takes a small ownership share in a business for strategic reasons, but this kind of direct revenue sharing from sales is unusual. For example, earlier this year, Trump allowed the takeover of US Steel by Japan's Nippon Steel with a golden share. But that was different from what is happening now with Nvidia and AMD. What's also unclear is how the US government will use the money, where it will go, and what rules will apply. Will it be treated as a kind of tax or for doing business with China? It's a question mark. If this happening with other companies, it could affect the business from Apple and Tesla. So small tribe markets who see China as a big market for Nvidia and AMD. 15% is a big amount and will reduce their profits. Even if the Chinese sales bring in billions, it could also make investors nervous because technology companies plan years ahead, and such kind of things, rules can affect stock prices and market confidence. Some people believe that this is not just about business, but it's a part of a bigger political game. Just last week, Trump threatened to put 100% tariff on chips made outside the United States unless companies build factories in America. The United States Commerce Secretary also said that these chips experts were being used as a part of trade negotiations with China to get access to rare earth elements, which are special minerals needed to make electronics. China controls most of the world's supply of these minerals, so the United States wants to deal to secure them. If this revenue sharing agreement helps in getting such a deal, Washington might see it as a win. When we talk about national security, things get more complicated earlier. The United States government said these chips could harm national security if sold to China. But now, US officials hold Reuters that the White House does not believe selling the S-20 and similar chips will cause any security risk. This is a big change in position. Many security experts and lawmakers in America still worry that giving China access to AI chips could help Beijing in military or advanced AI projects. So that's all for today's analysis. Thank you for joining. I am Mohsin Ali from Global Scope News. Until the next video, take care of yourself